Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to episode 2 of season 1 of Shadowing Practice with Sophia. I'm so happy to have you join me again. As always, remember the goal here is to actively practice your shadowing. Listen to my sentences, pause the video, and then repeat them aloud, trying to match my pronunciation and intonation. It really is a fantastic way to boost your fluency. Now, before we jump into today's exciting topic, I wanted to quickly touch upon our previous episode, episode 1. I realized it was a little shorter than our usual aim of 4 to 5 minutes, and I sincerely apologize for that. It was a slight oversight on my part as we were getting started with the season. I'll be making sure that our episodes from now on, including this one, give you that wonderful, ample time for dedicated practice. Thank you so much for your understanding and for being here. So, with that said, let's move on to our topic for today, which is something I find truly inspiring: why reading opens up new worlds. This is a concept I feel very passionately about because reading isn't just about looking at words on a page or a screen. It's an adventure. It's a journey into the unknown, and it's an incredibly powerful tool for learning, growth, and expanding our understanding of everything around us. Think about it. Every time you open a book or even an interesting article, you have the unique chance to step into someone else's shoes, to experience a different perspective. You can visit a place you've never physically been, whether it's a bustling city on the other side of the world or a quiet village from a bygone era. You can even travel through time. Fiction, for example, can transport us to magical realms, to distant futures, or to significant historical periods, allowing us to experience lives and situations far beyond our own everyday reality. This can build incredible empathy as we start to understand different cultures, diverse viewpoints, and the vast spectrum of human experiences. And it's not just fiction that holds this power. Nonfiction books, articles, and essays can teach us new skills, broaden our knowledge on any subject imaginable, from the complexities of science and the lessons of history to the beauty of art and the strategies for personal development. You can learn how to cook a new dish from a different cuisine, understand complex scientific theories explained simply, or get deeply inspired by reading the biography of someone remarkable who overcame great challenges. Every piece of writing holds the potential for new insights, new ideas, and new discoveries. Moreover, and this is particularly relevant for us language learners, reading significantly expands your vocabulary and improves your understanding of grammar and sentence structure, all in a very natural and contextual way. The more you read, the more new words and phrases you encounter in various contexts. This helps you not only understand them better, but also start using them more confidently and accurately in your own speaking and writing. And, of course, the rich, descriptive sentences you often find in well-written books are absolutely perfect material for your shadowing practice. You're learning how language is beautifully crafted. Beyond the educational benefits, reading can also be a wonderful way to relax and de-stress. Getting lost in a good story or absorbed in an interesting topic can take your mind off daily worries and provide a much-needed mental escape. It can spark your imagination, ignite your creativity, and give you new ideas and fresh ways of looking at the world and its possibilities. So, whether it's a classic novel, a contemporary bestseller, a daily newspaper, an online blog, or an academic textbook, picking up something to read can truly open up entirely new worlds for you. It broadens your horizons, deepens your understanding of yourself and others, and enriches your life in so many countless ways. I truly encourage you to make reading a regular and cherished part of your routine. I hope this discussion discussion gives you some food for thought, and of course, plenty of good, clear sentences to practice your shadowing with today. Keep up your fantastic efforts with your English practice. You're doing wonderfully. I'm already looking forward to our next session together in episode 3. Bye for now.